Chapter 4 Card Spreads Tarot Guidebook 78 Card Deck Guidebook Relationship Spread. The Tarot Relationship Spread is a powerful tool for gaining insight into the dynamics of a romantic relationship, whether it is new or well established. This spread is designed to explore the strengths and weaknesses of the connection between two people and to provide guidance on how to strengthen the bond and overcome any challenges that may be present. The spread consists of 7 cards arranged in the following manner. Card 1 represents you and your current state of mind or emotional state. Card 2 represents your partner and their current state of mind or emotional state. Card 3 represents the dynamic between you and your partner. Card 4 represents the foundation of the relationship. Card 5 represents the challenges or obstacles in the relationship. Card 6 represents the strengths of the relationship. Card 7 represents the future of the relationship. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to interpret each card in the Tarot Relationship Spread. Card 1. You and your state of mind. The first card represents your current state of mind or emotional state. This card can give you insights into how you are feeling about the relationship, your hopes and fears, and what you need from your partner. This card can also reveal any past emotional baggage that may be affecting your current relationship. Card 2. Your partner and their state of mind. The second card represents your partner's current state of mind or emotional state. This card can give you insights into how your partner is feeling about the relationship, their hopes and fears, and what they need from you. This card can also reveal any past emotional baggage that may be affecting your partner's current relationship. Card 3. The dynamic between you and your partner. The third card represents the dynamic between you and your partner. This card can reveal any power struggles, communication issues, or areas of tension in the relationship. It can also reveal the areas where you and your partner are in harmony and complement each other well. Card 4. The foundation of the relationship. The fourth card represents the foundation of the relationship. This card can reveal how the relationship began and the values, beliefs, or shared experiences that brought you and your partner together. This card can also reveal any hidden agendas or underlying issues that may be affecting the relationship. Card 5. The challenges or obstacles in the relationship. The fifth card represents the challenges or obstacles in the relationship. This card can reveal any external or internal factors that may be causing stress or strain in the relationship. This card can also reveal any patterns of behavior or communication that may be hindering the growth of the relationship. Card 6. The strengths of the relationship. The sixth card represents the strengths of the relationship. This card can reveal the positive aspects of the relationship and the areas where you and your partner are thriving. This card can also provide insight into how to leverage these strengths to overcome any challenges or obstacles. Card 7. The future of the relationship. The seventh card represents the future of the relationship. This card can reveal the direction the relationship is heading and what needs to be done to create a positive outcome. This card can also provide insight into the potential for growth and transformation in the relationship. Interpreting the Tarot Relationship Spread requires a combination of intuition, insight, and a deep understanding of the tarot cards. It's important to remember that the tarot is a tool for self-reflection and personal growth, and the insights gained from this spread should be used to empower yourself and strengthen your relationship with your partner.